Hey food lovers, today we are making easiest and most delicious baked beans recipe you've ever seen. Rich, creamy and packed with bold flavors. This recipe is budget friendly, beginner friendly and perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Stay tuned!
Winfrey's Kitchen!
For the ingredients we need baked beans, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion, a bunch of coriander leaves. Start by peeling and finely chopping fresh garlic and put it aside. This not only boosts immunity but also adds a bold kick to our beans. Next, finely chop your onions for natural sweetness and depth of flavor. Now separate your coriander leaves from the stems. Chop the stems finely for that herby punch and put them aside. Roughly chop the leaves for garnish later. Drizzle a little oil into your saucepan and let it warm up. Toss in the chopped onion, garlic, and coriander stems and saute for a few seconds. Now add a spoonful of butter. It not only makes the beans rich and creamy, but it also balances acidity and enhances flavor. Add in your baked beans, give it a good stir, and let them cook for a few minutes so that they soak up all that flavor. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander leaves for that vibrant, fresh finish. And just like that, your creamy, flavorful baked beans are ready to serve. Perfect with toast, rice, or as a side dish. And now I'm serving it up, ready to enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes from around the world. Let's make cooking fun, healthy, and global together. Bye!